Down where the river cuts through the limestone deep, in the Cedar Valley where the ancient secrets keep. I was born to this water, raised on this very land. Now I'm back on the acres where I'm making my stand. 98 Valley Road, yeah, that's where I reside, with the spirit of the valley as my power and my guide. The brain might get foggy and the path might get steep, but the Cedar Valley promises are the ones that I keep. It's a Cedar Valley rhythm, it's a Cedar Valley soul. When the world starts breaking, this dirt makes me whole. From the spirit gathering to the limestone floor, I'm opening up a brand new door. The AI is holding the map and I'm holding the reins, living life out loud in the Cedar Valley lanes. They can bring their lawsuits, they can bring their lies, but they can't take the sun from these Iowa skies. Building elevated essentials on a bedrock foundation, a Cedar Valley sound for a new generation. If I lose the words, the valley speaks them back, keeps my feet on the trail and my heart on the track. West Branch is the postmark, but the valley is the home. No matter where I wander, I never really roam. It's a Cedar Valley rhythm, it's a Cedar Valley soul. When the world starts breaking, this dirt makes me whole. From the spirit gathering to the limestone floor, I'm opening up a brand new door. The AI is holding the map and I'm holding the reins, living life out loud in the Cedar Valley lane.